Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Super Thanks on YouTube. So this is a brand new feature. I just got these emails from YouTube. Congrats on being eligible for Super Thanks. You now have access to Super Thanks, a new monetization feature that allows fans to show their support for you. It's easy to use. You can turn it on with just one click and it appears across all eligible uploads. Viewers can purchase a Super Thanks on a video to show their appreciation, then post a colorful comment, allowing you to identify your top fans and deepen your relationships with your YouTube audience. Plus, you can create new revenue stream for your channel. And then you could click this button to enable it. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then once you turn this on, it should be like eligible on all of your uploads. But what you want to do is come to your dashboard, you can come to monetization, and you can come to supers. And this is going to show like all of your super chats and stickers. I guess I'll turn on super chat as well. I think these are only if you're doing a live stream, which I don't do that much, so the Super Thanks is kind of nice. But if this is off, just turn this toggle on and then they should be enabled for your channel. So now I've gone to one of my videos here and you can see that they now have this thanks button. So I think all you need to do is click that. Then it looks like you can select the amount and type a message here. Then I think this would get like pinned as a comment on your video. So interesting stuff. You guys definitely don't have to do this on any of my videos. I'm just kind of showing what it is. But yeah, there it is, the Super Thanks, brand new feature from YouTube. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.